5 student, welcome back. So today we will focusing on the section C, okay, the complementary event, okay. So we can call it A dash is the complement, okay. So now take a look at this. So if you got an event called A, so what about non-A, okay, we will call it is the complement of A, okay. So we can using A prime to present it. So A or A prime, then all of them adding together, it will be universal, okay? It will be all of the event, okay? So now take a look of this. You must know how to separate whether this is complement or not, because sometimes it may not be a complement case, okay? So take a look of the example 1. Event A is Daisy passed the driving test. Event A prime will be fail. Yes, we only got two types, pass or fail. We don't have a middle selection, right? Middle option or other option, right? Only pass or not pass. So example 2, a fair coin is chose once. You can have the tail or head. It won't be in the middle, okay? We don't have that kind of the choice, head or tail. So example 3, so if you got chose twice, either you have the head, tail, head, or tail, head. So you can see that at least one head or no head, it will be a complement. But if some of the example told you that, what if at least one head, okay, then at least one tail, it is not a kind of the complement, remember, because these two beside head and tail, we can get head and tail, right? So remember, you need to know how to separate them, okay? So now take a look of the example, okay? So here, determine whether the event X and Y are complement or not, okay? If this is yes, a complementary event, okay, put a tick. If no, put a cross, okay? So take a look of the question 1, an IQ test, okay? George solved the problem. George does not solve the problem. So think about it. Except we still have the third choice. Any other possibility? No, right? Either solve or non-solve, okay? Just like the math question, either you can answer or you can't answer, right? So yes, it's a complementary event. Now take a look of the question 2 example. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards, okay? So event X is the card is hot, okay? Event Y will be the heart is a club, okay? A club is the black one, okay? So think about it. Is it possible, okay? Do you still have other choice? Or only these two, or still have other? Okay, think about it. Beside heart and cup, what else? You still have the diamond, right? And you also have the space, okay? So who told you that only these two? So that means heart, non-heart will be the complementary, okay? So you can choose heart, then non-heart. That means what? That means the club, okay? The space and the diamond, okay? Heart, non-heart. But if you're talking about heart and club, sorry, they are not complement, okay? Because you still have the third choice, fourth choice. So now take a look of the event 3. Example 3. 3 students take a test. All the students pass the test. All the students fail the test. Beside pass, fail. Do you still have third choice, fourth choice? Yes, right? You can choose first one pass, second and third one fail. Or first 2 plus, third one fail, right? You still have other choice. If you still have other choice, sorry, it's not a complement, okay? Complement means yes and no, okay? No middle, no other choice. So question 4, a coin is thrown twice, getting no tail. What mean by no tail? No tail mean head, right? So now event Y, getting at least one tail. So what mean by at least one tail? Tail, head, tail. So beside those 4 choices, do you still have the 5th one? No, right? Then it will be the complement. Complement means all 2 events should be including all the events. Okay, you won't have the third one. You won't have the fourth one. So this is a complement event. Okay, so make sure that you understand what is complement, what is non-complement event. So using your daily life example to explain. Okay, so what if Miss Poon say that, okay, 5M and 5S student will be the complement event. Do you agree? Because all the students from these two classes, they won't be the same, so they are separate. Sorry, it's not a complement event, because beside the 5M and 5S, you still have the 5RT and 5A. How can you say that 5N and 5S is the complement event, right? So what else is the complement event? For example, okay, whole form 5, okay, student who studying M2 and student who didn't studying M2, it will be the complement event, because either you study M2, either you didn't study the M2, right? So yes or no, okay? So this is a complement event, okay? So remember, you know how to do it. So if you know how to separate them, you need to learn one more formula to calculate the complement event. Just like the yesterday's lesson, we have learned the formula of calculating the mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive, right? So now let's take a look of the the complement event formula. Okay, so if you want to find the probability of the A event, super easy. If they are complement, just using the whole value minus the A complement. Okay, so what does it mean? It means if the probability is 100%, okay, then something happened in A, okay, if this is 30%, so what will be the A complement? Okay, of course, how can you calculate A complement? Just 100% minus the 30, okay, then it will be A complement event. So one is 30, another one is 70, okay? Just like the permutation and combination case, do you still remember Miss Poon told you? A whole set, okay, whole value of them. If you want to calculate one part of them, yes, you got two methods. Method 1, just calculate the part you want. Method 2, okay, using the whole value minus the event that you don't want, okay, minus the event that you don't want. Actually, the answer is the same, okay? So here, if you want to find the A, you can directly calculate the A event probability, or using another formula is 1 minus the A complement, okay? So whole value in probability, whole value mean 100%. 100% mean 1, okay? I hope that everyone know that 100% actually is 1, okay? Because this is 100 over 100,